Hello healthy people! In this video, we'll be giving you the recipe to a wonder-working drink that will detox your lungs and leave you feeling healthier and breathing happier. This drink is especially good for smokers, and it's super simple and cheap to make. Some of these ingredients you may already have in your pantry. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our amazing natural remedies designed to elevate your life. So let's get into it. We all know that smoking is a dangerous habit that can cause severe damage to our lungs. Over time, the accumulation of toxins in the lungs can make it harder for smokers to breathe and lead to chronic coughing, wheezing, and shortness of breath. In addition to that, the chemicals in cigarettes can lead to inflammation and damage to the lung tissue, which can cause respiratory diseases such as COPD, lung cancer, and emphysema. However, if you're a smoker, it is never too late to start taking care of your lung health. Of course, the best way for any smoker to detox their lungs and start down the healthy path is to quit smoking altogether. However, another way to help support healthy lungs is by drinking this lung detox drink, which will flush your lungs of all the built-up toxins. This detox drink consists of powerful, natural ingredients that work hand in hand to help promote healthier lungs. For this drink, you only need 5 ingredients, which you may already have in your kitchen. It's quick and easy to make and will give you instant relief. For this drink, all you need is turmeric, lemon, ginger, honey, and water. So let's take a look at how each ingredient works to promote better lung health. Turmeric is a spice that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of health conditions, including respiratory problems. One of the active compounds in turmeric, called curcumin, has potent anti-inflammatory properties that help to reduce inflammation in the lungs. In addition to its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric also has antioxidant properties that help to protect the lungs from oxidative stress, a type of damage that occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, which is another antioxidant that can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the lungs. Vitamin C has been shown to help reduce the risk of respiratory infections and improve lung function. It may also help reduce the risk of developing chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, and lung cancer. In addition to vitamin C, lemons also contain other beneficial compounds such as flavonoids and limonoids. Flavonoids are antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation in the lungs, while limonoids have anti-cancer properties that can help protect against lung cancer. The acidic nature of lemon juice helps to break up mucus and phlegm in the lungs, making it much easier to breathe. Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat respiratory problems. One of the active components in ginger, called gingerol, has potent anti-inflammatory properties that help to reduce inflammation in the lungs. Ginger also has antimicrobial properties that can help protect against respiratory infections. Cayenne pepper is a type of chili pepper that contains a compound called capsaicin, which gives it its spicy flavor. Capsaicin has been shown to have several health benefits, including supporting lung health. One way that cayenne pepper supports lung health is by reducing inflammation. Cayenne pepper also has a warming effect on the body, which helps to stimulate circulation and increase blood flow to the lungs. This increased blood flow can help improve the delivery of oxygen to the lungs and improve overall lung function. Honey is a natural sweetener that has anti-inflammatory properties, which also help to reduce inflammation in the lungs. In addition to its antibacterial, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties, honey also helps to soothe the throat and alleviate coughing. To make this drink, what you'll need are half a lemon juiced, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 cup of purified water. Start off by heating the water until it is warm but not boiling. Then, mix in all the ingredients in a glass and stir well. You will feel instant relief after drinking this, and the best time to take this detox drink is in the morning on an empty stomach. Taking care of your lung health is crucial, especially if you're a smoker. This homemade lung detox tea can be a simple yet powerful way to support your lung health and reduce inflammation caused by smoking. The ingredients in this tea are packed with superpowers and super easy to come by, so why not give it a try? Your lungs will thank you. And as always, remember to live healthy, live happy, and know that you are appreciated. Until next time.